Why does everything ultimately lead to death? Even Earth and the universe can't dodge this bullet. This is what's known as the law of increasing entropy. The law of entropy increase was introduced in 1865 by the German physicist Clausius. In an isolated system, heat can only transfer from a hotter object to a cooler one, meaning everything is headed towards eventual demise. And this trend is irreversible. The law of increasing entropy reveals the ultimate pattern of cosmic evolution. This principle also applies to us, to all life and non-life evolution, foreshadowing that everything will move towards a state of disordered extinction, including the ultimate fate of the universe. Physicist Schrödinger once said, "To live is to combat the law of increasing entropy. Life thrives on negative entropy." This isn't just true for life itself. The entire universe is under the sway of the law of increasing entropy. The law of increasing entropy unveils the ultimate evolution of the cosmos. Some say the law of increasing entropy is the scariest law in physics because it shows that no matter how things evolve, the end result is the same. Although we can't stop entropy from increasing, we can slow it down. Following the law of increasing entropy is relatively easy, but resisting it brings pain. In our lives, discipline is a hard-earned virtue. Going to bed early, waking up early, studying or working, sticking to an exercise routine. These things are not so easy to maintain. Giving up is much simpler. In life, we constantly face a barrage of tedious tasks. If ignored, things only get worse. Only by adjusting our mindset and actively tackling problems can we improve, but in reality, this is just slowing down the process of increasing entropy. Since the birth of the universe, the law of increasing entropy has sealed the fate of the cosmos. As time goes on, the sun will extinguish and Earth will perish. So Musk's Mars project is actually a fight against the law of increasing entropy. When Earth becomes uninhabitable, we must find a way to other planets. When the universe's entropy reaches its peak, all matter will vanish. This is also the ultimate destiny of the universe. Every person, every generation, carries the mission to guard and pass on life. As Schrödinger said, our lives are a struggle against the law of increasing entropy. Our choices and actions, no matter how small, can introduce spots of negative entropy. Perhaps it's the presence of the law of increasing entropy that makes the meaning of life all the more precious.